Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Thinkorswim background color. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly make your charts easier on the eyes, whether you prefer a bright workspace or a darker, low-glare view. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app and signing in as you normally would. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace. Once your charts appear, click directly on the chart area you want to update. Clicking the chart makes sure you're editing the right panel, which is helpful if you use multiple grids or linked windows. Next, look toward the top of the chart for the Settings control. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a gear icon or a button labeled Settings. It's usually near the chart's upper border. If your window is small and you don't see it immediately, expand the chart or widen the platform, and the control should become visible. Click Settings to open the chart configuration window. You'll see several categories that control different parts of how your chart looks and behaves. For this task, head to the Appearance section. Appearance is where you manage visual choices like candles, borders, grid lines, and, most importantly, the background color. Inside Appearance, find the background option and click it. This opens the color selection tools. You can choose from preset swatches or use the color picker to fine-tune a custom shade. Take a moment to preview options that match how you work. Dark backgrounds reduce glare and can make colors pop, while lighter backgrounds can be helpful in bright rooms or when printing screenshots. Aim for strong contrast with your candles and indicators so price action remains easy to read. If your studies or grid lines fade into the background, try a slightly lighter or darker tone until everything is clear. When you're happy with the selection, click Apply to preview the change on your chart without closing the window. This is a safe way to compare a couple of shades before committing. If the new color looks good, click OK to confirm and close the settings. Your chart will now use the background you picked. That's all it takes. If the color doesn't feel right after a trading session, just return to Settings, go back to Appearance, and adjust the background again. A comfortable, high-contrast background helps reduce eye strain and keeps your focus on the data that matters. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized Thinkorswim charts.